Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a website in SiteGround. First, visit siteground.com website, then click on Login, fill in your login credentials and hit Login. Now, make sure to visit this website's tab from the top menu and you will see the list of all websites available in your account. And to remove a website, simply click on these three dots next to your website and select delete. As you can see, this is the data you will lose. In my case, this is an empty website. So first, let's give it a visit. As you can see, this site is empty. So this is why I will only lose files, because this website does not have a database or an email account. It only have files with a size of 1 megabytes. And please read carefully before confirming. Any files, databases and email accounts of your website will be deleted and the website will disappear from your SiteGround. And any created daily backup copies of your website and emails will be kept for up to 30 days. Backup restore fees will apply. Confirm this action. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called SiteGround Shared Hosting Explained today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with SiteGround, how to set up your website, how to make your WordPress or website in general secure inside SiteGround, also how to optimize your website speed and performance, how to manage files and databases inside SiteGround, how to set up email, how to manage your domains and DNS, advanced tools, e-commerce setup, SEO and analytics, and also how to manage your SiteGround account and contact support. You can get all of this for free today, plus my other courses on the same platform, which are courses about other web hosting providers or other tools like this Canva tools, MailChimp, Squarespace, and let's see the page number 2. Google Search Console, Hostinger Website Builder, Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. As you can see, you are all set. Your website has been successfully deleted from your plan called hosting plan. Let's give the website a visit. As you can see, the website is successfully deleted. Now let's go back to the website's page, and as you can see, now I only have 2 websites remaining. And this is how to delete a website in SiteGround. And if you have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.